Welcome back. As we are just a few hours away from our first snowflakes beginning to fall, this is going to be after midnight and increasing into our Thursday morning. For many areas, it's going to be around 1 to 3 inches of total snow. Now, there will be lower totals if you are south of Toledo, especially south of Route 6, a little closer to Route 224 down toward Findlay and into Ottawa and over toward Tiffin. You'll likely be less than an inch of an accumulation tomorrow. All areas will get snow as we get into Friday, and that is going to be widespread 2 to 4 inches of an accumulation, some blowing snow late in the day, and perhaps even a few isolated areas that get over 4 inches of snow as we get into Friday. We got one wave of snow headed our way that is going to be developing overnight tonight. Next wave is going to be the kicker system that's coming out of the northern Rockies. That arrives on Friday, a quick moving clipper system. The first snowflakes falling now into Indiana back over toward Chicago. Those are the bands of snow. They're going to stripe right across northern Ohio, so they're coming directly down the Indiana toll road and headed toward northwest Ohio overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Now, one element of good news, at least as it stands right now, as you head to bed tonight, we actually knew many of our district's fate this time yesterday. At this point, we're all reporting that we're on time across the area. Current readings are in the upper teens and lower 20s, so we don't have the bitter extreme cold that we've had the past couple of mornings, and wind chills actually above zero. And we went through 83 consecutive hours of sub-zero wind chills, and by about noon today we finally turned that corner, and our coldest wind chill that we recorded over that stretch was 24 below zero, and our highest wind gust was 43 miles per hour. So let's time it out. What's going to change between now and when you wake up as that alarm goes off tomorrow morning? Here it is. Light snow slides into the area. It will organize into some steadier bands of light snow right around the Ohio-Michigan state line across the Ohio Turnpike. That is where I expect our greatest chance of an accumulation, 1 to 3 inches. Notice lighter totals far to the south, down toward Findlay, Ottawa, over toward Tiffin, upper Sandusky. You could come away with much less than an inch of an accumulation through the day Thursday. I do expect we're going to get a lull in some of that morning snow. By about lunchtime, it's going to be tapering off, mainly cloudy skies with a break in some of that action. Next round of snow, though, that's going to be coming in before 11 p.m. Thursday. It will quickly move into the area. Steadier snow spreads back in, and this is our best chance of accumulating snow Thursday night into Friday morning, continuing into Friday afternoon with snow that will continue to mount. So let's break it down to a few steps. How much to expect on Thursday only? 1 to 3 inches north of Route 6. Lower totals if you're south of Route 6 should be less than an inch of an accumulation. Better chance that we get closer to those 3-inch totals, maybe right around the Ohio-Michigan state line. We're going to add to that on Friday, 2 to 4 inches of an accumulation. Some indication we may get some rare lake effect snow out there toward Erie and Huron County. So isolated totals Friday, 3 to 6 inches of additional snow. And then we're going to all total it up. 3 to 6 inches going to be expected for most of the area, with those higher totals right around our lakeshore areas where 4 to 8 inches of snow will be expected in the two waves combined. For tonight, overnight snow is going to be coming in, slippery in some areas by daybreak. We're looking at temperatures right around the mid-teens into your Thursday, right around 26 degrees, 1 to 3 inches of an accumulation, and our alert days for Thursday and Friday. We turn cold again Friday afternoon, 19, and the brisk chill will drop us back below zero Saturday morning. A warming trend next week. Monday 33, mid-30s Tuesday, and 40s return Wednesday into Thursday with rain chances.